Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, as you can see from the title, we're going to do a natural makeup look. I gotta go grocery shopping in a little while and I kind of felt like putting a little bit of makeup on, so I figured I should video and share it with you guys. It's gonna be really simple steps, easy, 1, 2, 3. Well, sort of 1, 2, 3, because knowing me, I take a little longer than that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop babbling and jump right in. I'm gonna start with my primer. I'm using the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot primer for my foundation. I kind of like this primer, but I'm not like 100% sold on it. I kind of wish it would do a little bit more for my skin, like cover up my pores. But you know, honestly, I don't even know if this claims to make my pores smaller. But still, when I put foundation on this, I still notice my pores big time. So now that we've primed our face, I'm going to go ahead and use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in Valerius medium 1.5. That's my shade. I like this foundation. It actually looks like skin on me, and that's what I look for in a foundation. I'm not a big like super dewy foundation type girl, and I'm not a matte girl at all. I've tried different kinds of mattes and it just enhances every single little nook and cranny on my face. But this is perfect. That was so easy to blend out. You guys, I love this little foundation brush. I do not think that Tarte sells this anymore. It was like a Christmas kit that they had a whole bunch of brushes 2 years ago, I believe. And this is just my favorite, hands down, brush for foundation. For concealer, I am new to the game. This has been around for years. This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Neutralizer, I guess. This is super light, you guys. My under eyes are going to be bright as I don't know what, but I tried it once so far and I liked how my under eyes looked, so I'm going to use it again. For powder, I'm going to use my little Laura Mercier powder. And then, oops, reminded me of White Chicks. Just use the rest of that powder and set my face. Then I'm going to go with my bronzer, the Ultra Bronze Revolution Makeup Revolution London bronzer. I don't even know how to say that. But I really like this bronzer. It's perfect for my skin. And look at this gigantic pan. This is crazy big. This is going to last me a long, long time. I like to start with my forehead. Now I'm going to go and fill in my eyebrows just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Brush them out first. I'm going to go ahead and use the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Primer for my eyes. I do like this primer. Keeps my eyeshadow in place all day. Another really good alternative to this is the Milani eyeshadow primer. It's really, really good too. Alright, I want to go ahead and set my primer with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar, which it was one of my Christmas presents. I love this little palette. So I'm going to go ahead and go with So Bougie right here. Hopefully you can see that. And just run that through my crease really quick. Oh man. I was going to set it with the Rolling in the Dough shade right here. but oh well. I've already put the shade on. This brush is not doing it for me. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and go with a deeper brown. It's called Cocoa Truffle right here. This one right here. And with just a little bit of a smaller blending brush, I'm going to go a little bit more defined in my crease. Just to give a little bit of depth. And I'm also going to put it right a little bit on the outer V. Just tap it in there first. And then just run it through. And basically that's all I'm gonna do. I should put a little bit on my lid, but I kind of like how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead with my finger. Sorry, I don't mean to flick you guys off. And rolling dough and just put a little bit of that on my lid. Just to put something on there. Alright, perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead with a small pointy brush like this and just take a little bit of So Bougie and mix it with Cocoa Truffle. So the two brown shades that I use in my crease. And I'm just going to run it through right under my eye. Before I forget, I'm going to go ahead and take Rolling Dough, which is the light color once again, and just put it under my brow, my brow bone. It's been a while. I forgot how to say everything. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with a little bit of the Sephora Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Cocoa. For mascara, I'm gonna go with the Tartiste. I don't even know what this is called, but you guys know what it is. For blush, I'm just going to go ahead with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Mellow Wine Blush. And just a little because I've gotten carried away with this color before. I hope I haven't like covered my face like this at any point of the video. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit of highlight. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. What is it? Mean Money Hustler Baby highlight. I'm going to use a little bit of the Hustler Baby. I sound ridiculous saying that. Hustler Baby on a little bit on the high points of my cheeks. Just a little. Just a natural glow. Nothing crazy. Can you see that? Yes, you can, boo. It's beautiful. I love it. And just a little bit on the nose. A little on the lips. I always forget to put on my lips. My cupid's bow, I should say. A little on the chin. A little up here. I'm going to go in with my favorite lip liner. This is by NYX. This is a Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Soft Spoken. I love this lip liner. It just goes with everything. I'm going to apply some of this Color Pop lipstick in Drop Top. Makes me think of my daughter. It's peachy nude color. Just gonna put a little bit, like right in the center. This color is super light, so you kind of have to be careful with it. I'm gonna spray my face with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Shake it real good before I spray it. And go ahead and start. Alright guys, this completes my natural going to run errands, going to go grocery shopping look. What do you guys think? I like how everything came out. It's very natural. It's not too much in your face, which there's nothing wrong with that. But if you just want to go pick up groceries, this is a cute look. And if you feel like putting makeup on, because usually when I go to Walmart, I am not putting makeup on. But I felt like it today, and this is what I came up with. Hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next, or just say hi, anything. Let's start a conversation, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.